You got that carp on, huh? You got your carp on.
Yeah.
Well, he's going all over the place. You have your anchor down?
Yeah.
Good. Well, he doesn't want to come in too quick. He's heading back to that deep water. Get that leader up. He's not going to let you get that leader in through the tip.
He doesn't want it to count.
He don't want it to count. That's right. Oh, another 3 feet and you would have legally had him. Got to be a pretty big fish. Yeah. Almost legal. Another half a foot. Okay, reel down.
Not ready yet.
Well, you got to remember you're fighting.
So I got to enjoy it.
Yep. Well, plus he's fighting the current there too. Which fly did you have on?
That woolly bugger. First damn fish out of stupid woolly bugger.
Well, see, you gotta have faith in it. See, you didn't think.
I had faith in it. I just never caught anything on it.
I told you it would work.
Yeah,
You forgot you had the woolly bugger on there and you had faith in it. Well, I guess he's legal now. Your leader's in the.
Got the leader in.
Yep, leader's through the tip.
Now we'll just see if we can really land him. He's ready yet. I think it's bigger than yours, right?
I think so. It could be. He's at least as big, if not bigger.
If I lose him, we'll know he's bigger.
Well, let's try not to lose him. Let's get him in. Just don't want that hook to work its way out. He's circling around like that.
Definitely right in the snout, man.
Yeah, that's good.
I was worried that he was foul hook.
No, there's no doubt that he was fair hooked.
I don't think I'd have kept him on as long as they foul hook.
No. And he would have been more erratic. Yeah, it's a long fish. Why don't you pull up anchor for a second and slip down this way a little bit?
I did that.
Yeah, bring it closer. Drop anchor.
I don't know if I should need battle with the net.
Now that you moved the boat. Now that you moved the boat, drop the anchor again. You're going to blow by me. That's it. And then we can get a good picture of that fish, maybe.
Now it'll get wrapped around the anchor.
No, it won't. A good fisherman wouldn't wrap it around the anchor. See, but you got to land it on this side of the boat. There you go. Got some cooperation. That is a big fish. Get the head in. That's bigger than the other one, definitely. Turn him around, turn him around.
Definitely left.
Definitely bigger.
Fish.
I think he's got to be a half a foot bigger. Tip, tip. Come on, bring it in close. You got to back him up. Yes, it will. Just bring it in, and then as soon as you get the head part in, drop the rod tip. Pull him back, pull him back, pull him back, pull him back. Drop the rod tip when you get in there. No. Got to get his head in there.
We need a bigger boat.
Point the rod tip over here. Okay. I got the line. And here he comes. Oh, shoot. He's going to go on.
Enjoying the shade of your boat.
He said, oh, good. I got a safety here. Okay. He's up. Okay, here's what we're going to do. There is Joby's fish.
Teamwork.
Right there, buddy.